So I started taking some of those compounds, and one of them was this drug that is normally taken for stomach acid called famotidine. And I got an immediate response with that. And so I also tried isoquercetin. That didn't seem to make so much of an impact on me, but I experimented on myself. And the famotidine at higher doses now has been verified to be helpful. And it was one of the first things out of the box that people started taking, even prophylactically, before we knew about ivermectin and other things. And there's a whole thread here. We could go on for an hour about what was done with the repurposed drugs. I was working closely with the Defense Threat Reduction Agency. I managed to capture a few $100 million and direct that towards drug repurposing, adaptive clinical trials. The thing that I zoomed in on through a collaboration with a doc up in Minnesota was the combination of famotidine, another anti-inflammatory called celecoxib, and then the thing that really kicked it in high gear was the forbidden horse medicine, ivermectin. And I managed to, working with DOD, got over $100 million, set up a contract. It got managed by SAIC, and we were going to go after that using very cutting-edge clinical trial design. We submitted initial drug applications for using this combination of licensed drugs, well-known licensed drugs. And the FDA just dug in again and again, rejected the application. So long, what they said was we were going to have to do cell culture tests to demonstrate the antiviral activity of ivermectin before they would allow us to proceed. And so in the end, the DOD caved, and they dropped the ivermectin component and proceeded with the famotidine and celecoxib, which showed some effect.
Why were they so hesitant, or what was the resistance?
Your guess is as good as mine. People think that I have visibility into the FDA, and yeah, I've met with them, and I have a background in regulatory affairs, but the policy decisions that were made during COVID, and still to this day, are perplexing.